The rate at which the world of digital marketing changes is enough to make your head spin. But one of the best decisions you can make for your business is to anticipate those shifts, educate yourself on trends, and tweak your strategies along the way. And that's what this video is all about. Hello and welcome, my name is Adam Earhart and you're watching The Modern Marketing Show, where we take different marketing tactics, tools, tips, and strategies and break them down into bite-sized, actionable clips that you can use to immediately take your business to the next level. Alright, let's talk trends. Learning and adapting to developing trends can mean the difference between being Blockbuster or Netflix. With that, I'll admit, it can be overwhelming trying to decide where to devote time and attention to. So the key to making it work for you is to keep it simple and decide which trends are worth focusing your marketing efforts on and which ones you can ignore. For now, here are a few to consider, and remember, any links mentioned are only a click away in the description below. Despite the rising cost, Facebook ads are still cheap compared to traditional media. It's no wonder they remain the most effective form of advertising available today in terms of cost and results. And as organic reach continues to plummet, it's a reasonable option for anyone wanting to up their game. Additionally, Facebook continues to diversify ad formats with targeting, placement, and creative options, all optimized to help businesses reach specific goals. If you're considering running Facebook ads and need inspiration, you can download my free Facebook ad image guide that'll help you cut your costs and boost your results by up to 80%. It's yours free just by visiting adamearhart.com/FBimage. Demand for high-quality, original content has never been higher. People are consuming content faster, more frequently, and through a variety of different mediums. To meet demands in 2018, you must become a publishing force of nature by creating well-thought-out content tailored to the specific needs and desires of your market, as well as deliver it on their platform of choice. Integrating context marketing into your content marketing strategy will help you deliver the right message to the right people at the right time. If you're not exactly thrilled about cranking out more content, you can download my fast content formula to help you create effective content quickly just by visiting adamearhart.com/fast. Here are 2 reasons to get over your fear of the camera. Number 1, mobile video consumption is expected to rise by another 35% this year, and number 2, video marketing generates a reported 66% increase in leads. So with all that said, it really is the next best thing to being in person and allows you to engage with your audience at a level comfortable with them. Virtual reality tech is also gaining traction, promising even more of an interactive consumer experience in the future. There's really no better time than 2018 to start infusing video with your marketing and advertising campaigns. If you want to start driving sales with video, but don't really know what to say, you can download my video ad template and script by clicking the link in the description below or by visiting adamearhart.com/video ad template. Delivering content based on the interests of your target market is hardly a new concept. Relevant content equals more conversions and more sales. So here are a few to explore. Drip is an email marketing platform that allows you to tag website visitors and assign them to various campaigns based on their behavior. RightMessage is software that personalizes your website in real time with features like dynamic opt-ins and swapping in testimonials from people similar to the viewer. And of course, Facebook ads and the Facebook Pixel, 2 of the most powerful tools to help you tailor and target your message and marketing for maximum conversions. Consumers are jaded and skeptical after decades of hypey marketing tactics from so-called and self-proclaimed gurus and high-profile hotshots, posing in front of rented mansions and leased Lamborghinis. Most of them prove to be nothing more than a smoke and mirrors act, leveraging their image to persuade consumers into buying their products. That scene fades to black in 2018 as consumer tolerance lowers for the fake, phony, and fabricated. As a result, we're going to see more humble Fiats replacing those flashy Ferraris. The market is hungry for authenticity and transparency. Brands that fail to adapt will unravel, and those with an honest, trustworthy presence will earn their way into the hearts and wallets of their market. There's never been a time when know, like, and trust have been so crucial to not just business success, but business survival. That's why building and serving a community of your ideal target market should be a core focus of your marketing strategy in 2018. Harnessing the power of much-needed connection and delivering value will create the trust your audience needs to become loyal customers and brand ambassadors. You can engage with your community on social media, but email is ideal, as it offers more control and remains an effective system to nurture relationships. Whatever route you take, investing in a community of your own is sure to pay off in dividends. Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa offer the convenience of hands-free internet search, and the world has taken advantage of it. A predicted 50% of all searches are going to be voice searches by the year 2020, and we're well on our way to hitting the mark. But it's more than just cool technology. For businesses, it's a goldmine of opportunity to generate a highly targeted lead and skyrocket conversion rates. Websites optimized for voice search using latent semantic indexing will earn that precious rank at the top of the search results. Start preparing now if you haven't already by changing your tone from business to casual. Mobile use is up, social media use is up, and social media use on mobile devices is definitely up. You need to have a mobile-specific social media focus. This is a solid opportunity to stand out and get your offers directly in front of your target market. But the game is played differently on the small screen, and your desktop strategy just won't do. Everything from the length of your copy to your ad formats impacts your views and visibility. Invest in understanding the moving parts of mobile social media marketing to optimize your strategy for maximum engagement and maximum profitability. Richard Branson nailed it when he said every success story is a tale of constant adaptation, revision, and change. The truth is, digital marketing is simplifying and progressing towards its roots of authenticity, values, and human-to-human connection. That's a prospect even the rebels of change can appreciate. Here's to making 2018 your best year yet. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for a future video, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Also, make sure to stop by adamerhart.com for even more free strategies, tips, tools, content, and resources to really help take your business and marketing to the next level. Take care for now, and I'll catch you next time on The Modern Marketing Show.